Oh, hey. I didn't see you there. Yo, it's Anton, aka Flavor Solvis, your mama. And today, we'll be talking about air and the importance of smoking air. Air is a great thing, but it's good for you. You smoked me some air right there. Best part about air, you can smoke it and your parents don't even know. Don't tell my mom. And I'm just here to make everyone be aware of air. There's nothing wrong with smoking air. Nothing wrong at all. But it's very bad. I don't want you kids to get into it. If you start smoking air, you can't stop or you'll just die. Like, here, I'll try to stop for about a few seconds. Oh, man. I need air. I'm so addicted. And that is the importance of air. Till next time, pieces. Have a great day.